This is Liam fucking Gotti. And yes, what you felt if you live in North Carolina is a fucking earthquake. Apparently it's a 5.1 near Sparta, with North Carolina, and Virginia. That. Fucking mountains make sense, right? Only thing I ask of Mother Nature right now is, let the Gotti fucking sleep, alright? Needs to get some sleep, okay? We already have too much shit going on. For those who are looking up stuff, yes, there was an earthquake. Follow me for more fucking news in the future.